Have you ever looked up a new English word, understood it perfectly, and then forgot it just a few minutes later? It feels frustrating, especially when you're trying to become fluent. But psychology says this doesn't mean you have a bad memory for languages. In fact, the same reasons you forget people's names are the reasons you forget new vocabulary. Let's understand what's really happening inside your mind. First, new words often feel like random labels to your brain. When you see a word in a dictionary, it has no emotion, no story, no real purpose in your life, and your brain doesn't like storing random labels. It prefers memories that feel useful or connected to your experiences. That's why you can easily remember a funny moment with a friend, but struggle to remember a word you saw once. If you want vocabulary to stay, give the word a job. Use it in a sentence. Connect it to a memory. Turn it into a small story. Second, your attention is often too busy during conversations. When speaking English, your mind is doing many things at the same time. You're thinking about grammar, your accent, your confidence, or what the other person is thinking about you. Because of this, you don't fully absorb the new words you hear. Your focus is on your output, not on the input. And when attention is weak, memory becomes weak too. Third, your brain remembers images more than words. Humans were designed to remember faces, movements, colors, and scenes, not word lists. This is why you may remember the feeling of a conversation, but forget the exact vocabulary used. To fix this, connect words to visuals. Imagine a scene, watch short videos, create funny mental pictures. The more vivid the image, the stronger the memory. Fourth, too many thoughts can create mental overload. Many English learners are translating, checking rules, correcting themselves, and planning responses all at once. When the mind is crowded, new information cannot settle properly. Forgetting words is not a sign of low intelligence. Sometimes, it simply means your brain is working too hard. Slow learning can actually be powerful learning. Finally, words need connections to survive in memory. Memory works like a network. Every idea is linked to another idea. But when you learn a word alone, without any connection, it feels random. And random information is easy to forget. So link new vocabulary to something familiar. A rhyme, a joke, a similar word in your language, a personal experience. The stronger the connection, the longer the word stays with you. If you enjoy learning the hidden psychology behind how you learn and communicate, subscribe to the channel. Because once you understand how the mind really works, you start noticing shortcuts to fluency that most people completely miss.